everybody, happy Sunday, beautiful people. Hope you all are doing well. This is Favor Juliana Ewere. Today I'm going to teach you how you can boost your immune system, something that you can use to support your body to help you boost your immune system naturally. Do you know that taking fruits, vegetables, berries in abundance can improve your health, can support your cardiovascular health, can support your immune system, can help you to balance your hormone? For anyone that is battling with any of these complications I just mentioned here, these are but few I can mention right now. Send me a message, let me teach you how you can use the product I'm about to take to boost your metabolism, to boost your cardiovascular health, to boost your immune system and help you feel stronger, look good, feel good from the inside. It is a natural product that does not have side effects. It has no preservative, it has no gluten, it has no GMO. It is clinically researched that it boosts your immune system, it helps your cardiovascular health. Cardiovascular health, like it helps your heart, it helps your lungs, it helps your DNA, it helps your skin. Do you know that your skin is the biggest organ in your body, and you can support it by eating well, hydrating your body very well, drinking more water, more fluid? Of course, I will recommend water instead of drinking not just any fluid you see out there, not just any liquids you see out there, but water. Water is essential. Water is good. It helps your skin. Now, these are one of the products I'm going to start with. Berries. Berries are very, very essential when it comes to antioxidants. It is high in antioxidants. It is high in fiber. It helps your nails to grow. It helps your skin to radiate, to glow naturally. It helps your hair to grow. It helps your, the skin. It's just amazing. The benefits of berries is amazing. If you are the kind of a person that struggles to eat berries because it is not a sweet fruit, it has the kind of a sour taste. A lot of people don't like it except for strawberry. We have blackberry, blackcurrant, raspberry, elderberry, lots of berries in here. In here we have 11 berries that will help you to bridge up the gap. Okay, what I normally do is I put them in my mouth and they dissolve. It's very, very high in fiber. You don't need to use water. Yes, you can use water, but I'm at home right now. But then I'm going to teach you a very easy way I take my capsules. Very, very good. And also, omega-3, 5, 6, 7, and 9. It is good for expectant mothers, people who are trying to be pregnant, people who are pregnant, people who are breastfeeding, people who are believing God for the fruit of the womb, people who want to improve their health, people who want their skin to grow. It moisturizes your skin. It helps moisturize your skin. It helps your skin to glow naturally. Now, my omega is from plants. It is from alga seed oil, tomato seed oil, pomegranate seed oil. They are all from plants. Alga is the plant, the fish omega. The fish normally eats to get omega, but then we cut off the middleman and then we go straight to the alga itself and we remove the oil. This is what we are giving to you. It is amazing. I take 2 from it. This one is a vegetable blend. Cabbage, carrots, parsley, a lot of them. It is natural. I take 2. The fruit, I take 2. Let's go. God not go too much. What I'm doing right now is I'm using my saliva to take in. 1 minute. Let me just enjoy it first, and I'll talk. Just 1 minute. My goodness. Wow. This thing is not bitter. It's just the same way your mama, the dry bitter leaf can give you. The dried ugu leaf come. The dry okra. You know, some people, the dry okra. The dry fish. Then cook and come Europe without preservative. The same way we go the drum. The way our forefathers, our mothers, they do them then to dry bitter leaf, carry come Europe. And when you put that bitter leaf for water, they come back again fresh. The same thing applies to this product. Natural product when my company harvest, rinse and well, remove all the pesticides, clean up very well, remove the excess sugar, take the fiber with the nutrients, the calcium, potassium, magnesium, iron, folic, vitamin A, B, vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin B, B3, B12, B6, all the essential B vitamins, all the nutrients locked inside capsule form. And by the way, once they create the, what's it called? It is wrapped in tapioca. You know tapioca, the starch, that is what they use to wrap this thing. That was the reason why it dissolved in my mouth. Even without drinking water, of course I'm going to drink water, and I drink water a lot. This thing is going to nourish my body. This thing is going to help my body. It's going to help me from the inside. This product has helped me. Look at me. This is what I'm using. Oh my God. This is what I'm using to maintain my weight. This is what I'm using to maintain my body. This is what I'm using to help other people. There are some people now. See, there is no ghetto here. I am not a ghetto fan. Some people, if they don't wear ghetto, they can't dress well. Today is Sunday night. You tie ghetto. In fact, when you are losing it, it's like you're unwrapping a very special gift. When what you have there is fat. When what you have there is belly fat. I can use my product to help you lose weight naturally. This particular one I just took now, they are good for your health. From the crown of your head to the sole of your feet, they are good to help your body, help your immune system, your cardiovascular health, your DNA, your lungs. It helps you with to help you to balance your hormone. It helps you to balance your hormone. When you have imbalanced hormone, things hardly fall in place for people like that. So this product will help you to balance your hormone. It is clinically proven that it boosts your immune system. So what is keeping you? Send me a DM. Let me teach you how you can use this product to improve your health. Thank you so much. Thank you. Merci. God bless you. Please feel free to send me a message. Go up to the profile. You will see my WhatsApp number there. Click on my WhatsApp number. Come direct to my WhatsApp. Ask me questions. Ask for details. I will be so happy to share with you. God bless you. Have a beautiful evening.